if you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I am Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Northern Sea Route. Northern Sea Route. See, this route connects the eastern part of Arctic to the western part of Arctic. So from Asia, if you want to go to eastern part or western part of Arctic, we have a traditional route. The traditional route goes through the Suez Canal. The traditional route will take at least 21,000 kilometers between Europe and Asia. To connect this Europe and Asia, you need to travel 21,000 kilometers. But if you go through this Northern Sea Route, then you can travel, by traveling 13,000 kilometers, you can go to Europe. So Suez Canal, right, we see since 2021, we see a lot of blockage happening in Suez Canal for various reasons. Now, such blockage is going to cost the economy seriously. So many countries are actively considering using this Northern Sea Route. One country which is more actively considering this Northern Sea Route is India. Right, that is why it was in news. Murmansk, it's a place in Russia, okay, which is the starting point of this Northern Sea Route, where we are witnessing increasing Indian cargo traffic. That's why it was in news. Now, for India, we will go beyond. The topic is, that's all. We will go slightly beyond. I'll give you some more information. This Arctic route is very important for India. This Arctic itself is very important for India. Why Arctic is very important for India? This Arctic region is blessed with a lot of natural gas, lot of crude oil. It is said that 40% of natural gas crude oil is found in this Arctic region. It has a lot of coal reserves, zinc reserves. So for India's economic security, for India's energy security, this Arctic region will be very important. India has signed Svalbard Treaty. What is that? I will tell you. India has an observer status in the Arctic Council. Arctic Council has 8 countries, right? So those governments in the Arctic region, along with, to protect their interest, to address their issues, we have something called as Arctic Council. 8 countries are members. India has an observer status there. So Arctic is very important for India. India has a research station in Arctic, Himadri. India has an underground observatory in Arctic. India has signed the Svalbard Treaty. What is Svalbard? Svalbard refers to a group of islands, archipelago, in a Norwegian region. It belongs to Norway. But however, as per the Svalbard Treaty, the countries which have signed the treaty, the countries which have signed the treaty, Svalbard Treaty, all the people can go there, do some research, can conduct commercial activities, can do mining activities. Though it belongs to Norway, Norway cannot go and set up any military base there. All the countries which signed the Svalbard Treaty is coming up with the framework, rules and regulations, how these islands in that Arctic regions can be used peacefully for research, for mineral exploration, right? How that is guided by the Svalbard Treaty. Norway is the boss. As per the Svalbard Treaty, Norway is the boss. Norway is a kind of regulator. But remember, though politically it comes under Norway, as per the Svalbard Treaty, Norway cannot set up any military base and all. Other countries also should not fight for holding territories in that Svalbard area. It is for all those who are signing the treaty. India has signed the treaty, so Indians can go there, set up some research purposes, can have some commercial activity, mining activity, everything is allowed. This Arctic region is very important for India, and this route is also very important for India. Alright. About Svalbard also I have given here, you can go through.